It was a good match, as always. She always bring her A game, and I tried to bring the A plus. So I came out victorious, and I'm thankful for that.
Okay, coming in, you knew what she had to offer, what you thought you had to do to counteract that.
Keep up with her because she runs well. So I try to keep the momentum, always pushing for the rallies and staying in the rallies and aim to win the rallies.
I'm willing to make all the necessary errors and mistakes this early in the year to just go from strength to strength for the remainder of the year. So I'm happy with how I played. I have to go back to the drawing board, but again, it's early in the year.
It was a very good match. Daniela she's very consistent with her shots. Unfortunately, I got injured, but I stood up, and I am the winner.
She's a very good opponent. I played her already, and when she's on, she's very good. She has quite a serve, and consistent. And I think today she was just a more consistent player. But I had fun playing her.
I was a little unprepared for this tournament, but I came out here just to get some match practice in and get that vibe going, and I'm very glad that I was able to come out with the title, so I'm very grateful.